HVAC businesses lose a lot of time when jobs are tracked on paper or spread across separate apps for scheduling, invoices and customer messages, which leads to missed appointments and delayed payments. By the end of this, you'll know 6 of the best apps for running an HVAC business, what each one is best for, and which setups actually help you manage jobs faster without adding complexity. First is HouseCall Pro. This app is widely used in HVAC because it combines scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and payments in one system. It helps technicians get job details on mobile, so they don't have to call the office for updates. Second is Jobber. Jobber is built for field service businesses that need structured scheduling and customer management. It's commonly used by small HVAC teams that want to organize quotes, jobs, and invoicing in one workflow instead of switching tools. Third is ServiceTitan. This is a more advanced platform designed for larger HVAC companies. It focuses on detailed job tracking, reporting, and call booking systems, which makes it better for companies with multiple technicians and office staff. Fourth is Fieldage. Fieldage is tailored specifically for HVAC and plumbing workflows. It focuses heavily on dispatching and service agreements, which are important for maintenance-based HVAC businesses that rely on repeat customers. Fifth is Workiz. Workiz is popular with service businesses that need fast scheduling and communication. It includes features like call tracking and job management, which helps HVAC companies that handle high volumes of service calls. Sixth is Zoho FSM. Zoho FSM is a flexible field service tool that connects with the broader Zoho ecosystem. It works well for HVAC businesses that want customization and integration with invoicing, CRM, or accounting tools. Across all of these apps, the biggest difference is how they handle scale. Some are designed for solo technicians or small teams that need simple scheduling, while others are built for larger HVAC companies that need detailed reporting and coordination across multiple crews. So the way to choose is straightforward. If you want simplicity, Jobber or HouseCall Pro are usually enough. If you're managing a growing HVAC company with multiple technicians, ServiceTitan or Fieldage gives you more control. If you want flexibility and integrations, Zoho FSM is the more customizable option. To sum it up, HVAC apps mainly focus on scheduling and dispatching. The right tool depends on company size, and the best systems reduce admin work so technicians can stay on jobs longer. If you want more breakdowns like this that help you pick the right tools without wasting time, subscribe for more.